Hello and welcome back. We are in the process of designing the video ad campaigns using skippable ads, and so far we have discussed the budget and the bidding strategies. So we will continue with the rest of the options, so just follow me. Now I will quickly discuss rest of the options as we are quite familiar with these types of options. First we have network. These types of ads are not eligible to be shown on YouTube search results as discovery ads. Now what are the discovery ads? See here, sometimes we search on YouTube and few ads are there in the search results like this one. This is called video discovery ads in YouTube search results. Skippable ads will be visible on YouTube videos and it has been selected by default. If you want to show your ads on Google Video Partners on Display Network, you can use this option as well. Video Partners extend the reach of video ads to a collection of sites and apps in the Google Display Network. Including Video Partner will help you to reach new audience outside the YouTube. Next we have the language. Select the language that your customers speak. I am selecting here English and Hindi. Next we have the location. Here the location has the same meaning that we have discussed in the search campaigns and display campaigns. So you know about all the settings here. To select an appropriate location from the given options by using the advanced search option, you can do it. Next we have the content exclusion. We know that variety of content is available on YouTube via videos ranging from sensitive, violence, sexual and sensational, etc. Here, you have the full control over to show your ads on the content that is right for your brand. There are three ways to do it: inventory types, excluded content, excluded types and labels. Let us discuss them one by one. First, we have the inventory type. Google has classified it as YouTube content into three categories: expanded inventory, standard inventory, and limited inventory. First, we have the expanded inventory. If the option is selected, it maximizes the available inventory for showing ads on some sensitive content. However, it excludes extremely sensitive content, for example, excessive profanity, graphic sexual content and nudity, graphic violence and serious injury. Next we have the standard inventory, which is usually recommended. Standard inventory lets you show ads across a wide range of content that is appropriate for most brands, such as popular videos, documentaries, and videos covering the current events. It has same exclusions as expanded and also exclude repeated strong profanity, strong sexual content and discussion of sex, violence either real or dramatized. Next we have the limited inventory. As the name suggests, limited inventory lets you show ads on a reduced range of content that is appropriate for brands that want to avoid most type of sensitive content. It has same exclusions as expanded and standard and also exclude moderate profanity, moderate sexuality, suggestive content. So here, we will keep our inventory as standard as recommended by the Google. The second way of exclusion is content exclusion. By default, it is show on all. Or you can select an appropriate category to be excluded like tragedy and conflict, sensitive social issues and so on. It seems to be very similar to the inventory type. Yes, Google is going to remove this option very soon and has made it clear that instead of going for content type, you should use the inventory type. Next we have the excluded types and labels. By default, it is show on all and content not yet labeled. If you want to change something, then expand it. First, we have to select the content type to exclude. Content type exclusions let you prevent your ad from showing on certain categories of content such as games or live video streams. This can help you to avoid the type of the content that doesn't fit your needs or that your customers don't visit. You may also make exclusions for digital content labels. Digital content labels let you prevent your ads from showing on categories of the content based on the maturity level. They are similar to the movies rated such as PG, PG-13 and R. Select an appropriate category according to your brand. Next, we have some additional settings. First, we have the devices. By default, your ad will be shown on all devices. However, you have the option to show your ad on a specific device. We have discussed this option in detail in our previous module, but here we can see one more device is added, that is TV screen. Just explore this option. Next, we have the frequency capping. This option is useful if you want to limit how many times ads in this campaign can be shown to the same user. First, we have the cap impression frequency. By setting this frequency cap, you can limit the number of times that ad in the campaign are shown to the same user. For example, if you want to show the same ad to the user only 2 times per day, per week, per month, you can set it from here. Secondly, we have the cap view frequency. Here you can limit how many times that ad in this campaign can get a view or interaction from the same user. A view is counted when someone watches 30 seconds of your ad, or the duration if it is shorter than 30 seconds, or interacts with the ads, whichever come first. Next, we have the ad scheduling. By default, your ad will be visible on all the days. However, there is an option to select a particular day or days to show your ads. So we have completed the first phase of our campaign designing, and now we will move toward the second phase of campaign designing, and the second phase of campaign designing is ad groups. So just join me in the next video.